I am so excited to unbox this ZULAY Kitchen rechargeable milk frother. I already have this one right here, which I absolutely love. It's the pink and gold. You can see right here. Hold on, let me focus in. There we go. But look at this. Like, this thing is so powerful, okay? And it comes with a stand. I just keep mine right over here. Oopsies. Let me just back this up so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. I just keep it right back there. All right, let's focus in here. Let's get this new product out. Do it on the side so nothing falls. Comes with the charger so that you can recharge it. Ooh, comes with its own stand. And this one is really cool because comes with a double wand. So unlike the one that I just showed you where, let me focus in, there we go. Where it was just the single, this one's actually a double. So you get like extra volume with the froth. And look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is fancy. This is really nice. Look at that button. Okay, so all you do is you just stick this in here. Okay, so I want to show you real quick so you can see. So it has like a little tiny metal piece right there, which goes into this hole right here. So you do have to obviously really pay attention. So that, and then you just push it in. There we go. All right. That's in. And now let's see. Ooh. Let's back this up so you can really see it. Wow, this thing is good size too. All right, so you have 1, 2 settings. Wow, that's really fast. That's nice. Cool. I'm super excited to use this. Make sure to follow my storefront, and that way you can see all the different drinks that I make using this, and you can see how amazing the milk foam comes out when you use this milk frother. This one already worked so well, so I'm super excited to see how this double whisk works. So follow my storefront and we will see together.